Yeah, so I'm just doing a roof inspection here on a terracotta tile roof, and the roof looks to be in fairly good condition. The glazing on the tiles is old, but it's not in bad condition. But the bedding and the pointing probably should have some attention soon, because you can see the pointing's coming away from the bedding, and so water will be getting into this and degrading this more, and then that's all that glues those tiles down, is that bedding underneath. And once it degrades, it lets go of this tile, and then they just literally, you can kick them and they just fall off. So that's just checking the roof over after we insulated it. Now, that's about all I can see that's wrong with this roof. There's a few leaves and stuff from this big mango tree here, and the leaves are building up in that valley over there. So you can see there's two different pitches of the roof on the terracotta tile, and so just over in there, that valley collects a lot of leaves, and so that'll be leaking in there when it's blocked up with leaves. But anyway, I'll let the owner know about the bedding condition, and everything else is pretty good.